Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the app Pear on Google Slides. So to launch it, you're going to go to add-ons, and once you've downloaded it, Pear open Pear add-on. And so what it's going to do is bring up this little sidebar for you, and you're going to have lots of options to choose from. I'm going to show you one of these during the lesson ones, and I've chosen this one. So you'd click on that, it loads up onto your slide. You can drag it around wherever you want in the lesson. And then when you are ready to present your presentation, you click Present with Pear and so I already have this pulled up over here. What it does is it gives your students a website to go to and a unique code for the presentation, and allows your students to follow along on their own devices, whether it be a smartphone, a tablet, a personal computer, and they're able to interact with the Pear slides live, and you're able to see those responses. So let's look at these responses. I'm going to come down here and click Show Responses, and you can see that as the student moves and drags around this icon, you're able to see how they're doing. And so when you have multiple students, it'll show you multiple of those little icons until you get a general feel for how the whole class is doing. There might be a few individuals that are struggling, or only a few that get it, and help you gauge as you're teaching and as the students are going through the lesson, because you can either do this all together as a class and stop and check and see how people are doing and respond to it then, or you can have set it up so students can go through the slides at their own pace, and then these responses will save and you can look at them yourself and keep tabs on how students are doing on their assignment as they're going through it, rather than having to wait for them to turn in a finished product.